Are you grappling with hair fall or thin hair? Do you dream of long, lustrous, and strong hair? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving into the world of DIY hair care. We're about to embark on a journey to create the perfect hair growth oil that promotes hair regrowth for those who are facing hair-related issues. The ingredients you'll need for this hair growth miracle are pure coconut oil, castor oil, methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds, and curry leaves. If you're unsure about which coconut oil to use, parachute coconut oil is a reliable choice. Step 1 in the preparation process is to take a pan and add 2 cups of pure coconut oil. Next, pour in half a cup of castor oil. This oil is known for its hair growth promoting properties. Now, it's time to add half a cup of methi seeds. These seeds are a secret weapon in combating hair fall. Lastly, throw in half a cup of curry leaves. These leaves are rich in proteins and beta-carotene, which reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. Turn the heat on low and let the oil mixture boil until it changes color. This process allows the nutrients from the methi seeds and curry leaves to infuse into the oils. Once the oil has changed color, turn off the heat and let it cool down for 2 to 3 hours. After cooling, separate the oil from the methi seeds and curry leaves. Applying this oil 2 to 3 times a week can make a significant difference in your hair health. Remember to apply the oil 5 to 6 hours before washing your hair. If you prefer, you can also apply the oil at night and wash it off in the morning. In summary, this DIY hair growth oil, made from pure coconut oil, castor oil, methi seeds, and curry leaves, can help fight hair fall, promote hair regrowth, and give you the long, strong hair you've always dreamed of. Thank you for joining us on this hair care journey. Until next time, keep shining and keep growing.